So this is gonna be our commercial kitchen. So you have the special padding on the walls to prevent fires, and it's easy to clean. This is the hood. We actually had the floors installed in here early and not in the rest of the building because we have to put the fridge and everything in place. So you gotta put the floors in first. So we had the floor company come in and do the floors in this kitchen. So this will be the floors. It's a little dirty, we'll find a clean corner. But this will be the floors in the rest of the building that I chose. But it had to go in the kitchen early because everything's gonna get set in here next week. The fridge, the sinks, the fryers, everything is gonna have to get set in here, so we have to put the floors down. But I love this floor color. It's gonna go well with this color here, with these like tan and brown. And then straight down this way is where the cafeteria is. So the kitchen isn't a far walk from the actual dining room. Nice size kitchen.